Artists for Revived Medical Spas. That little frown, those lips that turn down, we can use Botox to turn those back up. We inject an area here called your DAO, and that is a depressor that's pulling those corners of your mouth down. That'll relax it and make it come up and make it more even. It's a nice treatment. It can be done in conjunction with your overall Botox treatment, or it can be done individually. Typically 2 weeks to kick in before you start seeing a result, and it usually lasts a good 3 months. And also, I need your help. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share if you can. Thank you so much. By the way, the products we recommend can be purchased in our free app. The Skin Medica and Elastin products will receive 20% savings. So select the link in the description to sign up and get your savings.